Namaste. So, I just wanted to inform you that Sir Sunil R. Bindal sir, he was an excellent R analyst. So, we are blessed to have him. I recently have joined with him. I have attended more than 12 classes with him. So, first in a free session, I have attended ARA analysis course. So in that he explained very nicely, very clearly. He has explained in that. So at that time itself, I felt to join in that course. It was very interesting and very useful. So each and every session after joining in that sessions, he was very pleasant and very cool, sir. He used to explain very nicely, and each and everything is very clearly he used to explain. And then practical thing is very excellent. He used to means like each and everyone should learn like that. His intention is like that. So he used to very happily, like how many times if we ask, he used to repeat. And then he himself make us to learn, like practicing each and everything, that how to do scanning, aura scanning. And then about chakras, so all 7 chakras he has explained excellently. And also for each and every means even for geopathic stress. So and bandhan dosh, so and IR, so aura energy, so how the aura energy should be there, so what are the remedies was necessary to take. So like that, so many things are there in this session. So it was like very happy learning, excellent, really I'm so much thankful to him. Each and every session is very enthusiasm to learn. So I'm fully satisfied his all sessions. I'm so much, thank you so much, sir. And I'm, my special request is that everyone should learn this aura, because aura analysis is very beautiful thing. And also even geopathic stress. So even with the help of these things, we ourselves can even heal ourselves, internal we can heal. Even he used to say that compulsory we should means even cosmic energy, for even activating our cosmic energy, our energies, he used to say daily we should do chanting, om chanting. So that is also a very beautiful thing. And then meditation is also very important. So every session he used to explain clearly. And then even we get doubts also, personally we can even call and ask him. So he is like excellent, very patient. And I'm so happy that my request is that please learn this aura analysis. And it is like a value added course. Even for numerology also he has explained. Even in this course numerology also there, even mobile numerology, vastu, and very effective thing is that vastu, it's like so many people like even vastu, so many changes should be there, like that it is. But in this he has clearly, very clearly he has explained. He has given so many remedies and all, even for enhancement of our energies. So day to day life, so many stress, anxiety, health issues and all. So with the help of these sessions we can easily clear all your health issues, health, wealth, happiness, abundance, success. And then means even relationship issues and all. So everything we can wipe it out, like we can vanish our all problems by attending these sessions. So please kindly attend these sessions. I am so much happy. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sunil Bindal sir. Thank you so much.